Do you have the two pinwheels to the overhand weave pretty cool? Like pretty, is that feeling comfortable? Overhand here in the overhand weave. Can you turn to your right and go into counterclockwise and then back turning to your left into overhand? Let's do overhand here. When your right hand is on top, you pull your left hand behind and stay in clockwise. Let's go back to the pinwheel, make sure you have that. Can you put both of these hands to the side and then bring it up into that direction of pinwheel? So now from the pinwheel, bring your right hand down, cross your left hand on top and go into the weave. Beautiful. Now when the right hand is on top, there, turn toward me, right there. Bring the left hand behind your head first. Yes. Remember when you're coming up into the pinwheel, positioning is like this. Your right hand is on top, your left hand is on bottom. What you're gonna do with your left hand, and let's just spin the left hand, wrap up your right one or move your right one out of the way, or maybe both. Okay, what you're gonna do with this one, your left one is overhand here on this side. What you're gonna do is pull it to the front and then all the way straight back behind your head. So you're in your weave, you're gonna pull it to the front all the way straight back behind your head. Come back down to the weave with it. Yes, yes, yes. So remember that, and that might help you get into it smoother. Good save. That was great. Half of the practice in the beginning, I think, is actually just the idea of you keep going, even if it doesn't work out exactly the way you wanted it, because that's what actually helps you get there. I mean, it's like the whole thing in any dance, right? If you stumble, make it part of the dance. It's the same thing. Let's start with this pinwheel that we were just doing, the clockwise one. And then I want you to turn to the right, go into the weave, which you just did. And then I want you to turn to the right away from me toward the house and go into the other pinwheel, which is what we did a few minutes ago when you were facing the other side. So turn to your right. Now turn back to the left, go back into the overhand weave. And now we're going to turn to the left again. This is your difficult one. When the right hand's on top, pull the left hand back behind, do an extra beat with the right one, and come up into clockwise. That was the thing I was asking you if you could do, where you were going between pinwheel, weave, and pinwheel, right? So pinwheel, weave, to pinwheel, to weave, to pinwheel, to weave, to pinwheel.